Hello friend, mutual fund investment are very easy now. You can invest through the link which I have given in the description. So in the description I have given Angel B mobile app link. While doing this particular investment, if you find any difficulty, please call in this number. Me and my team will happy to help you. If you invest through this below link, then me and my team can help you out for your investment analysis, tracking, profit booking, reviewing, asset allocation management and financial planning. In this video, I'll discuss with you what are the top 5 mutual fund in each categories. Categories like mutual fund, debt, balance and ELSS. Every quarterly basis, I'll bring this type of video for you. This particular list is done by ARQ, which is Hyper Intelligent Investment Engine by Angel Broking. After considering more than 40 fund houses, around 2500 funds and thousands of data points, we are bringing to you this particular list. But again, you should be in touch with your mutual fund advisor because they can guide you based on your risk profile, risk appetite, investment horizon, your need, your cash flow and other parameters. Based on this, your mutual fund advisor will guide you. You need to invest into which fund, how many days you need to be invested, when to do profit booking, when to do portfolio rebalancing. So this is Axis Midcap Fund, regular growth. Last 1 month return 5.8998, 6 month return 23.06, 1 year return 64.82, 3 year return 18.23, 5 years return 19.07. Total AUM managed by this particular fund is 10,898 crore. Inception is February 2011. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research rating 5 star, Morningstar rating 5 star, CRISIL rating 4 star. Let's see top holdings of this mutual fund. CCI 13.2, Avenue Supermart 5%, Bata 4.4%, City Union Bank 4.4%, Astral Poly 3.9%, Info Edge 3.7%, Indraprastha Gas 3.7%, Voltas 3.6%, Bajaj Finance 3.5%, PI Industries 3.4%. These are top holdings. There might be holdings like 50 stocks, 100 stocks holding. So these are only top holdings. Kotak Emerging Equity Fund growth. 1 month return 6.4905, 6 month return 32.55, 1 year return 93.43, 3 years return 15.29, 5 years return 17.74. AUM 11,430 crores they are managing. Inception date March 2007. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research 4 star, Morningstar 4 star, CRISIL 4 star. Top holdings. TREPS, Supreme Industries, Coromandel International, PI Industries, the Remco Cement, AU Small Finance, Seychelles India, Thermax, Atul, Tata Global, Kotak Blue Chip Fund, Growth, 1 month return 6.39, 6 month return 19.73, 1 year return 68.66, 3 years return 13.74, 5 years return 13.79. Total AUM they are managing 2411. Inception date 12 1998. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research rating 4 star, Morningstar rating 4 star, CRISIL rating 5 star. Top holdings: HDFC Bank 8.7, Reliance Industries 8.2, ICICI Bank 8.2, Infosys 5.7, Axis Bank 4.6, HDFC Bank 4.6, L&T 4.1, Kotak Mahindra Bank 3.9, State Bank of India 2.8. There might be 50, 100 stocks. These are top holdings. DSP FlexiCap Fund, 1 month return 7.90, 6 month return 24.28, 1 year return 71.19, 3 year return 15.34, 5 year return 17.62. AUM 5048 crores. Inception date 07/06/2007. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research rating 4 star, Morningstar rating 4 star, CRISIL rating 4 star. UTI FlexiCap Fund, 1 month return 4.68, 6 month return 21.67, 1 year return 79.09, 3 years return 17.08, 5 years return 16.96. Inception date 18/05/1992. AUM 17,000 crores. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research rating 5 star, Morningstar rating 5 star, CRISIL rating 5 star. Top stocks: Bajaj Finance 7.5%, HDFC Bank 5.9%, HDFC 4.6%, Kotak Mahindra Bank 4.4%, L&T Infotech 3.7%, Info Edge 3.6%, Infosys 3.4%, TCS 3.2%, IndusInd Bank 3.1%, AU Small Finance Bank 3.1%. Now this is debt fund, HDFC Banking and PSU debt fund. So 1 month return 10.53, 6 month return 3.75, 1 year return 7.32, 3 year return 9.04, 5 year return 8.20. Total AUM 9,843 crores. Inception date 26/03/2014. ARK rating 5 star. Value research rating 3 star. Morningstar rating 4 star. CRISIL rating 3 star. Now top holdings. NABARD 5.3%. NetCA and others 4.5%. National Highway 4.3%. Food Corporation of India 3.9%. IDFC First Bank 3.1%. Syndicate Bank 2.8%. Union Bank 2.6%. Power Grid Corporation 2.6%. Tata International 2.6%. Bank of Baroda 2.3%. IDFC Banking and PSU Debt Fund 1 month return 7.21, 6 month return 3.23, 1 year return 6.58, 3 years return 9.75, 5 years return 8.12. 18,000 crores AUM they are managing. Inception date 08/03/2013. ARQ rating 5 star. Value research rating 5 star. Morningstar rating 4 star. CRISIL rating 4 star. Top stocks. NABARD 7.7%. Axis Bank 5.8%. Indian Railway Finance 4.6%. National Housing Bank 4.9%. HPCL 3.1%. ICICI Bank 2.8%. HPCL 2.7%. National Highway 2.4%. NetCA and others 2.1%. SIDBI 2%. Aditya Birla Sun Life Savings Fund 1 month rating 4.71, 6 month rating 3.77, 1 year rating 5.58, 3 year rating 7.38, 5 year rating 7.44. AUM 18,000 crore they are managing. Inception date 16/04/2003. ARQ rating 5 star. Value research rating 5 star. Morningstar rating 5 star. CRISIL rating 4 star. Top holdings. IndusInd Bank 3.4%. GSEC 2020 3.2%. GSEC is nothing but government securities. Tata Power Company 2.9%. Power Finance Corporation 2.7%. IndusInd Bank 2.6%. Reliance Retail 2.4%. NetCA and other 2.4%. IndusInd Bank again 2.3%. Tata Power 2.3%. REC Limited 1.9%. Aditya Birla Sun Life Short Term Fund 1 month return 8.30%, 6 month return 3.75%, 1 year return 9.20%, 3 years return 8.73%, 5 years return 8.01%. AUM they are managing 7,000 crores. Inception date 09/05/2003. ARQ rating 5 star. Value research rating 4 star. Morningstar rating 5 star. CRISIL rating 4 star. Top stocks: CCI, NetCA and others. Government Securities 2024. Adani Properties. Government Securities 2025. Punjab National Bank. REC Limited. State Bank of India. State Bank of India. HUDCO. ICICI Prudential Short Term Fund. 1 month return 9.21, 6 month return 4.03, 1 year return 7.65, 3 years return 8.76, 5 years return 8.12. Total AUM they are managing 22,000 crores. Inception 25/10/2001. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research rating 4 star, Morningstar rating 5 star, CRISIL rating 4 star. Top stocks: Government Securities, LIC Housing Finance, Government Securities, Pipeline Infrastructure, NetCA and others, NABARD, Tata Motors Finance, Jamnagar Utility, Indian Grid Trust, Sikkim Port. BNP Paribas Substantial Equity Hybrid Fund. 1 year, 1 month return 7.75, 6 month return 20.36, 1 year return 48.63, 3 years return 15.50. AUM 559 crore they are managing. Inception date 07/04/2017. ARQ rating 4 star. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research rating 5 star, Morningstar rating 5 star, CRISIL rating 4 star. Top stocks: TRIPS, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel, Index, Infosys, Reliance Industries, HCS Technologies, Alkem Lab, Maruti Suzuki. DSP Equity and Bond Fund Growth. 1 month return 5.92, 6 month return 17.61, 1 year return 52.22, 3 years return 13.17, 5 years return 14.20. AUM they are managing 6,444 crores. Inception date 27/05/1999. ARQ 5 star, Value Research 4 star, Morningstar 4 star, CRISIL 4 star. Top stocks: Bajaj Finance, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Hindustan Unilever, HDFC Bank, Avenue Supermart, Alkem Lab, Ultratech Cement, Asian Paints. Kotak Equity Hybrid Fund. 1 month return 5.06, 6 month return 22.04, 1 year return 67.12, 3 years return 13.59, 5 years return 13.64. AUM they are managing 1,500 crores. Inception date 03/11/2014. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research rating 4 star, Morningstar rating 3 star, CRISIL rating 5 star. Top stocks: TREPS, ICICI Bank 7.2%, HDFC Bank 6.6%, Infosys 3.3%, Kotak Mahindra Bank 3.3%, Axis Bank 3.3%, State Bank of India 3.2%, L&T 3.2%, Reliance Industries 2.7%, HDFC Bank 2.6%. ICICI Prudential Equity and Debt Fund 1 month return 8.65, 6 month return 31.08, 1 year return 60.38, 3 years return 13.21, 5 years return 14.67. They are managing AUM of 16,000 crores. Inception date is 03/11/1999. ARQ rating 4.5. Value Research rating 3 star. Morningstar rating 5 star. CRISIL rating 3 star. Top stock holding: ICICI Bank 8.0%, Bharti Airtel 7.5%, NTPC 6.1%, NetCA and other 4.7%, ITC 3.9%, ONGC 3.4%, Vedanta 3.3%, State Bank of India 3.2%, Hindalco Industries 2.8%, IOCL 2.6%. Canada Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund Regular Growth 1 month return 5.31%, 6 month return 15.11, 1 year return 46.03, 3 years return 13.80, 5 years return 14.63. Total AUM they are managing 4,981 crores. Inception date 27/07/2007. ARQ 4.5. Value Research rating 5 star. Morningstar rating 5 star. CRISIL rating 4. Top stocks: TREPS, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries 3.8%, Infosys 3.5%, Kotak Mahindra Bank 3.2%, HDFC Bank 2.7%, Hindustan Unilever 2.4%, Bajaj Finance 2.4%, Government Securities 2022 2.4%. Canada Robeco Equity Tax Saver Fund Regular 1 month return 7.77, 6 month return 20.85, 1 year return 66.08, 3 years return 16.12, 5 years return 16.55. AUM total they are managing 2,000 crores. Inception date 31st March 1993. ARQ rating 5 star. Value Research rating 5 star. Morningstar rating 4 star. CRISIL rating 4 star. Top stocks: HDFC Bank 8.1%, ICICI Bank 6.8%, Reliance Industries 5.6%, Infosys 5.9%, Bajaj Finance 5.5%, Hindustan Unilever 4.2 percentage, Davis Laboratory 3.9 percentage, IRCTC 3.4 percentage, Avenue Supermart 3.3 percentage, Axis Bank 3.2 percentage. Mirai Asset Tax Saver Fund Regular Plan 1 month return 7.72 percentage, 6 month return 25.36 percentage, 1 year return 87.73 percentage, 3 years return 18.45 percentage, 5 years return 21.44 percentage. They are managing 7,251 crores of AUM. Inception date 28/12/2015. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research rating 5 star, Morningstar rating 5 star, CRISIL rating 5 star. Top stocks: HDFC Bank 9.2 percentage, Reliance Industries 5.8 percentage, ICICI Bank 5.8 percentage, Axis Bank 4.6 percentage, State Bank of India 4.4 percentage, L&T 4.1 percentage, Infosys 3.7 percentage, TCS 3.1 percentage, ITC 2.9 percentage, Voltas 2.8 percentage. DSP Tax Saver Fund Growth 1 month return 9.68, 6 month return 29.67, 1 year return 76.77, 3 years return 15.90, 5 years return 17.07. AUM 8,176 crores. Inception date 18/01/2007. ARQ rating 5 star, Value Research rating 4 star, Morningstar rating 4 star, CRISIL rating 4 star. Top stocks: IDFC Bank. Top stocks: ICICI Bank 7.4 percentage, HDFC Bank 6.8 percentage, Bharti Airtel 5.5 percentage, Axis Bank 5 percentage, Infosys 4.5 percentage, Reliance Industries 3.7 percentage, State Bank of India 3.1 percentage, Ultratech Cement 2.8 percentage, BPCL 2.3 percentage, Crompton Greek Corporate 2.2 percentage. UTI Long Term Equity Fund Tax Savings 1 month return 6.40, 6 month return 20.96, 1 year return 70.53, 12 years return 12.75, 5 years return 14.16. Total AUM they are managing 1,800 crores. Inception date 15 December 1999. ARQ rating 4.5, Value Research rating 4 star, Morningstar rating 3 star, CRISIL rating 4 star. Top stocks: ICICI Bank 8.5 percentage, HDFC Bank 8.3 percentage, Infosys 5.8 percentage, Axis Bank 5.5 percentage, NetCA and others 4.5 percentage, ITC 3.4 percentage, Gujarat Gas 2.7 percentage, IndusInd Bank 2.5 percentage, Bharti Airtel 2.5 percentage, Crompton Greig 2.2 percentage, Axis Long Term Equity Fund regular growth, 1 month return 5.79, 6 month return 16.74, 1 year return 60.44, 3 years return 13.86, 5 years return 16.06. AUM they are managing 28,000 crore. Inception date 29/12/2009. ARQ rating 4 star, Value Research rating 4 star, Morningstar rating 5 star, CRISIL rating 3 star. Top stocks: Bajaj Finance 9.9 percentage, Kotak Mahindra Bank 8.7 percentage, Avenue Supermart 7.2 percentage, HDFC Bank 6.8 percentage, CCI 5.8 percentage, Pidilite Industries 5.6 percentage, TCS 5.6 percentage, HDFC 5.5 percentage, Info Edge 5.5 percentage, Maruti Suzuki 5.1 percentage. Mutual funds are subject to market risk. Please read all documents carefully before investing. Thank you and happy investing.